Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to register to Zangi Messenger. Well, do note that I have already installed the application. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Right here, as you can see, I have opened up the application. Now what I'm gonna do is simply click on this checkbox right here and just hit on register. And guys, once you do it, it will ask for some permissions. Right here, it's asking for my storage permission. I'm gonna click on continue and provide to it right now. Likewise, it's gonna ask for my name. Do note that you can also add your photo from right here. You just need to click on this add button. But right now, all I'm gonna do is enter my name right here. And once you've done that, simply hit on continue. That is it. Once you've entered your name, it's gonna ask you to set up a password. Do note that you can do it right now or simply skip. It's up to you. For now, I'm simply gonna skip it. And once you do that, it's gonna provide you with your Zangi number and your login to sign into your account. Do not forget it, or you will lose access to your account. Once everything's okay, simply hit on continue. And that is it. Simply click on next. Right here, as you can see, I am doing it. Now guys, that is it. That's how we register to Zangi Messenger. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.